What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you guys how to set up the Sports HD DV SQ11 Mini DV camera. Those are the names on the box. So if your box looks like this, you're watching the right video. And if your camera looks like this, you're definitely watching the right video. Okay, so first thing you need to do to turn it on is well, you know what, I'm gonna go through all the ports. So basically that's the where you plug in the USB. That's where the SD card goes in, and you have these two buttons at the top. So M stands for mode, and that sign right there is the sign for the power button. So first thing you want to do is turn the camera on by pressing the power button. So right now it's on, and it's the blue light means it's in 720p recording mode. So it will record in 720p. And to record, all we have to do is press the power button once. So right now it's recording. So in order to change it to 1080p mode, because you get better quality in that mode, all you have to do is press the power button once, and it's gonna the blue light's gonna come on again, and all you have to do is press the mode button once. Sorry, missed it. So right now it's in photo mode. So in this mode you can take photos. So the red light means picture mode. So to take photos, all you've got to do, like before, is press the power button. Press the power button once, and it will flash. So it just took a photo of whatever is in front of the camera. Press it again. I just took a second photo. Now to put in 1080p, you have to click the mode button once it's in once it's blue, and you're gonna get this red and blue lights, or purple and blue, whatever you want to call it. And that's to indicate that it's in 1080p mode. So just like in 720p mode, to record, all you have to do is press the power button once, like I'm doing right now, and at the moment it's recording. So it's recording whatever is in front of the camera as we speak. Now as you can see on the camera, there's some night vision lights. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 night vision lights, infrared lights on the in front of the, or surrounding the camera lens. Now that means the camera can actually record in night vision mode. So I'm going to show you how to put in night vision mode in a second. Okay, so to put it in night vision mode, remember it was recording in 1080p. Just press the power button once. So the light's gonna come on. So recording has been paused or stopped. So to put it in night vision mode, all you have to do is hold the power button for 2 seconds. So just count to 2 once you press it down. 1, 2, and it should start blinking. So as you can see, it's flashing. So that means it's in night vision mode. So it's currently recording in night vision mode as we speak. Now everything is going to go into the memory card, and to stop the recording in night vision mode or in any mode, as I explained earlier, just press the power button once, and now we're back to 1080p. So night vision mode recording has stopped, and we're back to 1080p because it's got the blue and the purple lights, as you can see. So if I move my camera around, you can actually see it. So there's blue and purple lights, and that's 1080p mode. And another thing I'm going to show you is how to change the date. So the camera doesn't come with the correct date. I'm going to show you how to change the date, or take off the date from the recorded videos and pictures you took, because in this the default settings, it puts the date on the video. So I think on the bottom left, same with the pictures. I'm going to show you how to take it off, or if you don't want to take it off, you just want to change the date because it's obviously wrong. I'm going to show you how to do that in a second. And for that, you need a PC. Okay, before you plug into your PC, make sure you turn it off. And to turn it off, it's simply all you have to do is press the power button once to make sure you stop the recording. And once you've done that, hold the power button until the light goes off completely. That's how you turn it off, and then you plug it into your PC. All you have to do is to see what you've recorded or the photos you've taken, is just simply go to the right folder. But before I do that, I'm going to show you how to change the time and date. So as you can see, it says 4th of the 2nd 2018 4:07 a.m. Double click that and you're gonna see this. So this is gonna open up in Notepad. Just simply delete this and replace it with a capital or uppercase N. So I'm gonna do that real quick. No, turn on caps lock and then press N and then save it, and then just hit save. Now it doesn't matter what the date or time is, it's not gonna come up on the video or photograph. So if you don't want to timestamp on whatever you record, you just change the Y to N. Y stands for yes, N for no, and that's how you turn it off. If you want the date and time on your videos and photographs, all you have to do is change it over here. So change it to the correct year, date and time, and then change this back to Y for yes. So I want the date for the purpose of this demonstration. I want the date change, so I'm gonna change this to 2019. So as you can see, the time and date has been updated in the folder. So in the USB folder, that's what it's called, USB drive. So it now says 25th of the 12th 2019 33 p.m. Okay, now we're gonna examine the photos we took. Ignore the date and time because this was the correct date as of the time of taking the photographs. So just ignore those. It doesn't update itself. You can do that manually if you want, but yeah. Okay, so this is one of the photos I took. I'm gonna confirm. So this is what it looks like, and here's proof that it actually worked. So before making the video, I placed these books in front of the camera, and as you can see, they're there, and that matches the photo. So let's see, I took 2 photographs. That's the second one right there. Okay, now let's move on. So as you can see, like I said, it puts the date and the date on the bottom left of the photograph. So if you don't want it there, just change Y to N and it's gonna take it off. And but if you want it there, just simply change the year to the correct year and change the month and the date if need be. But all I did was change the year and it automatically changed the date and the time as well. So yeah.